Hello people, you've caught me at a moment of unshavenness and chilling out day. Actually that's like every day really. Anyway, I've bought a battery charger, Victron battery to battery charger. It's a 30 amp non-isolated because all my electrics are earthed to the chassis, starter battery and edge batteries and so on, so you can get the non-isolated, but obviously if you're not earthed to the chassis then you need the isolated, but there's loads of videos out there about that. But anyway, what I'm actually making a video for is because I've received this, but and obviously it's got to be installed, and I've got a couple of issues. One is, I mean, the reason I got it is because we're coming on to the winter time, wanted to upgrade my electrics, and where I am at the moment, I sort of parks at my daughter's and I plug into her electric, and with the energy prices being what they are and what they will become, I thought I need to become as independent as possible. I've got quite good solar, you know, I've got enough capacity, but every now and again in the winter time I need to charge, put a bit of extra charge in my batteries. But if I upgrade my to a DC charger, then I can run the van as opposed to plug into an electric supply. So that's the plan anyway. But the issue is, being really untidy as I am, I've done a bit of work at the back of the van a while back now, and my electrics are disgusting. The cable runs are disgusting, right? That I'm embarrassed. I will put a very quick picture, a snapshot of my electrics as they are now, although I'm really embarrassed about it. But I'll put a snapshot up now. See what I mean? Embarrassing, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going away to the International Camper Van Show next week, and I'm hoping that there'll be some people there, some of you, or people you know, or people I know, that might be able to give me some advice on how I can tidy up my electrics so that I can then install this. But I'm useless at it. I look at it and think, well, how do I run the wires so they're nice and neat, and I can't do it. I'm useless at that sort of thing, like the tidying up, the finishing things. I can't finish anything. But yeah, hopefully then at the International Camper Van Show, which I hope you're going to, I'll be able to bump into some people, and if some people want to help me or people want to do it for me, I'll pay you, you know. But it is one of them things. I look at it and I see a complete mess. I try and think about how it could be, and all I see is a complete mess. So I don't know why I'm unable to do that. So yeah, it'd be nice if someone out there is going to be at the show can help me out. So yeah, battery charger, and then when I get it in, I'll be able to tell you what it's like. Is I've got two 130 amp Leoc Adventurer batteries. So what I did is I contacted Leoc and I said, these are the batteries I've got. I'm thinking of getting the Victron 30 amp charger. Is that going to be okay? And they replied to me and said, please don't charge your batteries higher than 30 amps. So that's an important thing to know. If you're not sure, contact the battery manufacturer to find out what the maximum charge you should be putting in those batteries. Now, it would be nice to have two of these, and I'm guessing that Leoc are saying 30 amps per battery. I've got a 30 amp Victron mains charger, which I have been charging the batteries fine. But I just wanted to put it out there, let you know that just check out your battery charging capacity. Don't want them blowing up on you. So that's it. Looking forward to the International Camper Van Show. Looking forward to meeting all of you again. I'll be plotted up somewhere. I've actually got a flag. I've got a flag. I've got a Mons 2 flag. It's awesome, isn't it? But they've only printed it on one side. So as long as the wind's blowing in one direction, we'll be alright. If it changes and blows in the opposite direction, you won't be able to read it. It'll be too in whatever it will say. So that's it for now. Hope to see you soon. International Camper Van Show. Hope to see you there. Blah blah. See you later. Bye.